Security certifications are an important aspect for your career. They boost credibility, enhance job prospects, and show employers you have proven skills to advance in a cybersecurity career. But the question is where to start certifications. CSI Linux provides free certification of CSI Linux Certified Investigator. If you don't know about CSI Linux, it is a cybersecurity-focused Linux distribution designed for digital forensics, incident response, and OSINT investigations. It comes preloaded with security tools, saves setup time, ensures consistency for investigations. You can visit CSI Linux official website and choose free certification option. Here you can register and log in. Now if you want you can attempt the exam directly. But I would suggest you to check the course. It is very beneficial. Once you are prepared, you can attempt the exam and get your certification. It is the first step of your cybersecurity journey. You can find link in the description.